Welcome, everyone, to this interior design guide on how to transform your kitchen with terracotta floor tiles. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to decorate your kitchen using a variety of components to achieve a warm and inviting atmosphere. Let's get started. Segment 1, Terracotta Floor Tiles. We begin with the foundation of our design, the terracotta floor tiles. These tiles bring warmth and character to your kitchen, setting the stage for the entire decor. Segment 2, Cabinets and Countertops. Now, let's talk about cabinets and countertops. Choose cabinets that complement the terracotta tiles and durable countertops for your workspace. Segment 3, Sink and Faucet. Your sink and faucet are not just functional, they can also be stylish additions to your kitchen. Opt for a design that suits your overall theme. Segment 4, Backsplash and Range Hood. Next up, the backsplash and range hood. These elements protect your walls and add a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Segment 5, Appliances and Lighting. Appliances are essential, and lighting is crucial for ambience. Choose energy-efficient appliances and lighting fixtures that complement the terracotta charm. Segment 6, Island or Peninsula. Consider adding an island or peninsula for extra workspace and seating, enhancing the functionality and aesthetics of your kitchen. Segment 7, Flooring underlayment and baseboards. Don't forget the flooring underlayment and baseboards. These elements provide support and protection for your terracotta tiles. Segment 8, Cabinet hardware and drawer slides. Small details matter. Select cabinet hardware and drawer slides that match the overall design and make daily use a breeze. Segment 9, Shelving, kitchen island seating, and wine storage. Shelving adds open storage, while kitchen island seating creates a cozy dining space. And for wine enthusiasts, a wine rack or cooler is a perfect addition. Segment 10, Waste and Recycling Bins, Spice Rack, Decorative Elements Host, on camera. Last but not least, let's talk about organization. Efficient waste and recycling bins, a well-organized spice rack, and decorative elements that reflect your personal style complete the look. Conclusion: and there you have it. By carefully selecting and arranging these components, you can transform your kitchen into a beautiful and functional space with terracotta elegance. We hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!